Welcome back students to our maths class of class 7, and in the last video we have seen exercise 8.2 up to question number 4, and today we are going to see question number 5. In question number 5 we have to find out the whole quantity and the answer is given. Straight we will write down the question. A question: 5% of it is 600. 5% of it is 600. So how to solve this? 5% of it is, it means unknown quantity. Whenever unknown quantity is there, we take a variable for that. So let the whole, since it is in the question, let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, 5% of it means x. X equals to 600. 5% of x equals to 600. This is nothing but 5% is written as 5 upon 100. Of comes multiplication. X equals to 600. Now, in the live class, in the Zoom class, I have shown you the method how to transpose it. So, we will do it not one by one, but the whole fraction we are going to transpose onto that hand side. So, x equals to 600 divided by 5 upon 100. Since this fraction is multiplied here, going on that hand side, it will become division. Therefore, x equals to, division is there, KFC method, keep, flip, change. 600 is kept like that only. This is flipped, means reciprocated, 100 upon 5, and change the sign to multiplication. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Therefore, x equals to 6 2s are 12 and 3 zeros 12,000. Therefore, x equals to 12,000. That means if you find out 5% of 12,000, our answer should be 600. And done. The sum is done. Okay, one more sum we will do. Okay, let's do the D sum. 70% of it is 14 minutes. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, 70% of x equals to 14 minutes. That is 70 upon 100 multiplied by x equals to 14 minutes. Now, transposing this 70 upon 100 to that hand side, in one step we can do all the adjustments. Let us see. X equals to, actually I have explained this to you in the second unit also. 14 multiplied by, instead of division we have put multiplication only, and we have to write the reciprocal of this. 100 upon 70. So 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So x equals to 2 10s are 20 minutes. Done. Question number 5 is done. Rest all the sums would be for the homework. Question number 6. Convert the given persons to decimal fractions and also the fractions in simplest form. A sum. So 25%. Now in the two groups, that is group 3rd and group 1, these fractions were not converted into decimal forms. That was left In group 2, this was done, this was shown. So in the video, I will show you how to convert it into decimal form. Not a big deal, very simple. So 25%, this can be written as 25 upon 100. Okay, so 25 upon 100. If you want to convert this to decimal fraction, for this 0 we have written 5, for this 0 we have written 2, 1 comes, decimal point and 0. So 25% in decimal form would be 0.25, and in the lowest form 25 upon 100, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are, so the answer is 1 upon 4. So 25% decimal form is this, and the simplest form, fraction form, is 1 upon 4. Okay, one more sum we will do. Say 150%. B sum 150%. Okay, these were the two examples taken in the live class. 150%. So 150 upon 100. This 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut. So this comes to 15 upon 10. For this 0 5, 1 comes, decimal point, and this 1 is remaining. So 1.5. And this would be 150 upon 100. This 0 cut, this 0 cut. 5 is the common factor. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So this equals to 3 upon 2. This equals to 3 upon 2. So question number 6 is done. Let's move to question number 7. So question number 7 is, in a city 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? So given in a city females equals to 30%, males equals to 40%, and children equals to question mark. Okay, children equals to question mark. So what is the percentage of children? Now in the total population 30, 40 and some percent of children is there. So the total of the percentage of the population, it comes to 100%. It will always be 100%. Okay, the total will always be 100%. Total percentage equals to 100%. Therefore, percent of children equals to this 100% minus collectively the percent of male and female, 30 plus 40. So this equals to 100 minus 70. So this equals to 30%. So the percentage of children in the city is 30%. Done. Question number 7 is done. Easy sums. Okay, question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Again, given total number of voters equals to 15,000. Total number of voters equals to 15,000. Percent of voters voted equals to 60%. So out of 15,000, 60% voters voted. Percent, again the total percent is 100%. Out of that 100% means 15,000 voters. So out of that 100%, 60% voted. Percent of voters did not vote equals to, this is percent of voters, okay, 100 minus 60, so this equals to 40%. That means 40% of 15,000 did not voted, 60% of 15,000 voted. Now we have to find out the number of voters who did not vote. Number of voters did not vote equals to 40% did not vote of total 15,000. So this equals to 40 upon 100 multiplied by 15,000. So this 2 cut, 2 cut, 15 fours are 60, this 1 0 and this 1 0. So 6,000 voters did not vote. So this is what we have done up till now in our live class, up to question number 8. Next question we will solve in our next video and next live class. Thank you very much.